stripes. I literally spit right now when I What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha and this is my baby ponytail called Lola. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
And in case you've not seen the video where I've actually showed how I got this, how I wore this pretty thing, then you have missed out on a lot, my guys. Then the link is down below and also somewhere in the screen. But yeah, do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account. I've been creating a lot of aesthetic photographs over there as well. I'm putting a lot of efforts over there as well. Started with today's video. This is the Meesho tops haul. Let's just get started. And obviously I'm sure you guys must be thinking, ki, where did I get this pretty tie-dye top? And this one is also from Meesho, and this one is 100% cotton material. As the color suggests, it's just such a beautiful tie-dye set. It has a blue color and then shades of peach in it, and also a little bit of touch of like gray and a little bit of purple as well. And it is completely tie-dye from front to back. Actually, I got in the size large, whereas my normal size is medium, so that's why I sized up one size. And you can see how pretty good, like baggy it is coming. Like the sleeves are literally ending near my elbow, and you can see this looks like a, you know, like a falling kind of a extended kind of sleeve style. That is what I was looking for, and I got that when I went a size up. So if you're looking for this kind of style, you can go a size up, or you can go for your own size as well. It is completely true to size. The material is absolutely amazing, and I got this one for only 392 rupees, which is such a nice price. This very beautiful striped kind of top, and I love stripes. Like, I know I love everything, but this one is like a crop style, and this one is actually comes in a very free size. This does not have any sizing. It comes for free size, and my original size is medium, and this free size actually fits me pretty properly. I can say that for the sleeves part of it, if you are somebody who uses the XL size, then do not go for this one. If you can find some other seller who is giving it in the XL size, then good enough. And this one is in this nice combination of like ochre, yellow ochre, then pink and maroon and black and stripes. And at the back also you have this whole stripe, and this is kind of a knitted material. Like, it is very stretchy, but it is also at the same time a little bit warm. And yeah, I got this one for 488 rupees, and the finishing is actually very nice. So the price according to that is pretty good. You can moving ahead, I just want to talk about something that you guys have been asking me, and I have a solution for that. So you guys always ask me that what I do with all of these clothes that I get in the haul videos. You ask, or you sometimes don't ask, or you just subconsciously thinking that what I'm doing with this. So I'm going to tell you that I have an app called Free App that you must definitely have some fashion pieces, some fashion items, clothing items that are in a very good condition, but maybe you don't want to use them anymore, or maybe you bought them very new and they don't look good. Free Up is a very unique concept. What you can do is you can sell your clothes for points or for cash. So when you sell them for points, you can get the process done very quickly, because it is done in points and there's not a lot of transaction in that. And then you can use these points to buy something else from the whole app. You can sell clothing items like kurtis, ethnic wear, skirts, tops, dresses, anything of that sort that are in a good condition. And plus, you can also sell your makeup and skincare products. Oh my god, like this was something that I was so happy about when I got to know that I can actually sell my skincare items as well. Because there are a lot of time when we purchase something and maybe the shade of the foundation doesn't suit you, the shade of the lipstick doesn't suit you. You can definitely go on this app, and not only that, you can also sell your homemade and handmade products. Buyers love handmade and homemade products, trust me. You can also sell those over there. And obviously the golden point that I told you, that they are going to give you the pickup and delivery system, which is so damn convenient. I love FreeUp app, and there are also a lot of number of users that love this FreeUp app. Firstly, I told you the delivery system is so convenient. Secondly, the item actually literally gets sold within a day. You should go and check it out first, guys. And actually, I want to give you a tip over here, that in the first 2-3 pieces that you are actually selling, you try to sell it for points. It will get sold easier and faster. And also you can buy something else with the points, which is like obviously a very good deal. And thirdly, FreeUp app actually takes care of the buyer and seller information, and all the information is completely protected, okay guys. And fourthly is that the FreeUp app is actually has this very nice social interface to it, where you can also have the rating of the sellers and everything. So it's just so much more trustworthy. And finally, let me just tell you how you can actually, like set up your profile and go into it. So first thing that you have to do is download this app from the link that I will give down below in the description box. And once you download it, you have to log in using your phone number. Once you log in with your phone number, your profile is ready. And then what you have to do is you have to set up your own pictures and everything. Whatever you want to sell, you have to upload the pictures, you have to write a little bit of description, and also you can set up your own price. And once you set up all of these things, now it is all ready to be sold. And next piece that I want to show you is again the tie-dye. Come on guys, like what else do you need? This is such a sober vibe, so cool, so nice. This is in this crop kind of style, you can see, and it's like very broad and like a very baggy style. And the size large, I purposely went for a large size because I don't know why. You can definitely go for your own size, there's no issue. This one is a polyester material and the print is definitely very good, and the material is also very stretchy. Now coming down to the joggers of this set, this has this very nice thick elastic over here. This material is again polyester, and then you also have elastic at the end of this, which is quite obvious that you will have. And I know that you cannot see that it has pockets, but it does have pockets right here. Both the sides it has pocket, and you will be happy to know that I got the top as well as the joggers together for rupees 792 only. I mean, what is that? You don't get sets under 800 rupees. Next top that I'm going to show you is kind of a blunder that happened with me. This top is definitely very pretty, okay. So this is like this kind of a top, which is of this very nice smock detailing, very stretchy. You have this self tie over here, which you tie as a strap. You can tie bow over here in the strap. So this one actually was in the color light blue, as the model is over here, and I was very intrigued with that color and I got it for that color, but I got sent this color. So this color is also very pretty, to be honest. This color is also very pretty. I got this one in my size medium, and this one is very absolute stretchy. If you want, you can size up one size. If you don't like बहुत ज़्यादा bodycon, then you can go for a size up. Definitely this one is in this material, like a cotton plus polyester material, but it's a very nice material. Like next top is something called from this brand called Veronica or something like that in Meesho, and this one is a very simple, like a red tee that you have over here. I think so, I've already worn it in one of the videos, and this one has a very pretty nice like a flower over here. I think so it is a sunflower, and do I look like a sunflower? No. Material is very good, like 110,000%. It's a 100% cotton material. The material is very good. I got this one in my size medium. I wanted this to fit me like nicely and properly. It's just that in the picture you will see that they have tied a knot in the side and it looks like it has a V cut in the end. but ऐसा नहीं है. It is a very simple normal tee, like a straight cut like this, and it is not cropped or anything like this. I got this one in 272 rupees, which is a very very good price. And also इसमें बहुत सारे color options हैं, not with the same print like this, but बहुत सारे color options भी हैं, so you can explore them as well. I think so we are done with this video today, and I hope you guys liked all of the tops. I am always a fan of Meesho. Like maybe they don't have the best quality or something like that, but the affordability is, oh my god, like a chef's kiss. There is. I hope you guys like these tops over here, and do let me know down comment section below what do you want to see next. And until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Not next week, in the next video. I am